I am Dr. Stuti Bansal from Healthy Wealthy Clinic in Aram Road and lecturer at Tharmal Panchkroshi Nursing College. We are conducting this protest rally today to protest not just against the rape victim at Kolkata Medical College, but all such victims. As we all know, all these rapes are happening on a daily basis. We have to stop supporting such people. The police needs to take urgent action. The judicial system needs to fast track these courts so that these perpetrators are suitably punished. Also, everybody who supports such people should be condemned. Such people, when they receive support from their local communities, from their supporters, then only they develop this thick skin to do such heinous crimes. So please, condemn the people who support such people. Stop harassment, stop rapes, and safety and dignity of a woman is the basic right that everybody in this country should fight for. Not just women, everybody should fight for safety and dignity of women. If a woman is not safe in her local environment, in her workplace, then India is not safe.
Tharmal Panchkroshi Shiksha Mandir's College of Nursing is conducting a rally on safety for women today, and the motto of this rally is, first we want to show our protest, our strong protest against all the brutalities and atrocities which is happening against women all over our country. Second thing, we want to show that we are supporting the victims who are affected all over our country. And the third motto of this rally is we want to share the awareness to the public about the helplines which the government has, so that if they are at risk, they can call those helplines and be at safe. So these are the motto, and our BSc nursing students and GNM students under NSS committee, we are conducting this rally.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.